who we are, as what we already know, who we are in here in this business, we are Atomians. Of course, not that. As I said, we are Atomy, and what we do, right, as a company, a fundamental principles of this company expanding out to the world with the principles, growing with consumers, and share generously. We are proud Atomy, and the company is providing us this platform to build our dream, our vision. As I mentioned earlier, we cherish the spirit and create the vision. We follow the faith and also serve in humility. And this is what Atomy care. And we should also care other people as well. Tell others about Atomy. Promote our product benefit and how good would this be. And bring them as well into your vision to create their vision for the future. Okay? We are in Atomy. We help each other, as Melissa mentioned to you and to us in here. Warren Buffett quotes and says, risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. Someone sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree long time ago. We only find out who is swimming naked when the tide goes out. And this is really, really true. My take on this, here is the company that offers us a good opportunity. Don't waste time. Don't waste the opportunity.